What does 7x35 binoculars mean? If you're curious about what those numbers on your binoculars mean, you're in the right place. Let's break down what 7 by 35 signifies so you can make the most out of your bird watching or nature exploration adventures. When you see 7 by 35 on a pair of binoculars, the first number, 7, tells you the magnification power. This means that whatever you're looking at will appear 7 times larger than it would to the naked eye. So if you're trying to get a closer look at a bird perched on a distant tree, this magnification will make it seem much closer. The second number, 35, refers to the diameter of the objective lens, which is the lens at the front of the binoculars. This lens is 35 millimeters in diameter. The size of the objective lens is important because it determines how much light the binoculars can gather. A larger objective lens generally means a brighter image, especially in low light conditions. Now let's talk about the exit pupil, which is the circle of light you see when you hold the binoculars about 6 inches away from your eyes. To calculate the exit pupil, you divide the diameter of the objective lens by the magnification. For 7 by 35 binoculars, the exit pupil would be 5 millimeters, 35 divided by 7. This is important because a larger exit pupil can provide a brighter image, especially in dim light. In bright conditions, however, the size of the exit pupil isn't as critical since your pupils are smaller. But in low light settings like dawn or dusk, a larger exit pupil can make a big difference in how bright and clear the image appears. Another aspect to consider is the field of view. The 7 by 35 binoculars typically have a wider field of view compared to some other models, such as the 7 by 50. For example, the 7 by 35 might have a field of view of around 9.3 degrees, which is quite wide and useful for tracking moving objects or observing a larger area. The size and weight of the binoculars are also influenced by the objective lens. Larger lenses mean heavier and bigger binoculars, but they also gather more light. So, if you prefer lighter binoculars that are easier to carry, the 7 by 35 might be a better choice. In summary, when you see 7 by 35 on binoculars, it means you have a pair that magnifies objects 7 times larger with a 35 millimeter objective lens that gathers a moderate amount of light and an exit pupil of 5 millimeters. This combination makes them suitable for various outdoor activities, especially those that require a balance between magnification, light gathering, and portability.